In this video, I want to quickly show you how to export your interactive PDF. So now that I've created all of my pages, I've filled in the content, and I have things laid out the way I would like them to be. I have my interactive tile menu, I have my icons inserted, and I also have my page numbers. So now I'm ready to go ahead and export this document. So what I'm going to do is go to File and Export, or you can hit Control-E on Windows. And I want to save this file as an Adobe PDF Interactive. So there are several options that you can choose from, but in order to make all the interactive elements work, I need to have Adobe PDF Interactive selected. So I'm going to select that. And I am going to hit save, and yes, I want to replace the previous file. So in this dialog box, under pages, I have all and pages selected. Under viewing, I just leave it at default view and default layout. I have the open and full screen mode checked so that when this PDF document is open, it will prompt the user that this document is going to open up in full screen mode. For page transitions, I chose fade, and you can see there are plenty of options to choose from, but I'm going to leave it here on fade. For options, forms and media, I want to make sure that include all is selected. If you have appearance only, then only the appearance of your buttons will be present, but they will not actually work. So you need to have include all selected. I also have embed page thumbnails selected, and that's just something I just like to always have selected when I export a PDF. And then I also have view after exporting. So after this document exports, the PDF will automatically open up. Now just going over here to compression underneath general, I have this on a high resolution, and this is kind of helpful too, because then if the user decides to print out any of the pages, they'll print out at a nice high quality. So I am actually going to have this at 300, but you can play around with all these different resolutions. 72, 96, 144, 300 is usually reserved for print projects. And even though this is an interactive PDF and it's meant to be read on a tablet or a laptop or a desktop, I still like to have 300 selected. Because it will give that nice printout if someone chooses to print it. And I'm going to just leave advanced insecurity alone in this movie. So I'm going to go ahead and export this document. So I click export. Okay, now my PDF has been generated. And I am going to click yes on this prompt, and it's just saying that the document is trying to put the Acrobat in full screen mode, and that's what I want. So I'm going to click yes. And here is the document in full screen mode. I can check out the interactivity. It's looking pretty good. Let's test out this enter exit full screen. And I can go back to full screen. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. So I'm going to exit full screen mode. And now I'm back to my PDF in the regular viewing mode.